Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to a brand new day trading recap. Once again, everybody, we had a nice little green day. Let's hop right into it, man, just because it's a little bit early for me right now. I do got work in about, 2 hours. Oh, what? 2 hours? Damn. I just realized I got work in 2 hours. I thought it was 1 hour. Today, what we bought was a SPY 37 strike price put for a price of $156, and we sold it for $12. And man, let me tell you guys again, this is like the fourth time. You guys see it right here, man. All I had to do was just wait a little bit more, and then we got some beautiful profits. I mean, look at this. We bought it at 643, sold it at 56. So let's go to 643. Let me show you guys actually the exact trade that I took, and look at that, man. It's still dropping, bro. It's still dropping. 643. So this is, I bought it right at this candle right here. You see it right here. It actually, now that I think about it on the 1 minute chart, this is actually a pretty bad entry, because look at this, man. We're here in VWAP. Obviously it's gonna jump up, so this was a risky trade, man. I took a nice little risk on it, and then we sold it at 56. Dude, we sold it right there, bro. Right there. And honestly, again, I don't look at the 1 minute chart, but look how beautiful we sold it right here, and look how much more it dropped. Look, it went up all the way almost to $200, bro. Almost $50 profit. And honestly, I'm looking here on my iPad as well. I got the 15-minute chart right here. Let that focus, and look at that, bro. Doesn't that look like it's just gonna drop? Dude, that looks like it's just gonna drop. So, man, puts today, man. I hope you guys banked. But let's look at the overall day. So if you guys see this right here, a lot of people say that the day was gonna be bullish. Hey, it could still be bullish. You never know. It could still turn around. It could still go up. You know, shout out them calls. But I mean, look at this. You know, you guys think, a lot of people say this is like a breakout, but I mean, I think it kind of hits this right here. It hits let's see, June 28th. 392.99. So that's exactly where it hit. So that could be some resistance right there. We could keep going to the downside, man. You never know. I see maybe like a little flag here forming. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Hey, man, but make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload, man. This is Router Infinite. I'm gonna try to keep it transparent as possible. Again, yesterday we took a $6 loss. Today we got a $12 win, so that's pretty fire right there, if you ask me. You know, our losers are starting to become a lot smaller than our winners. 4-hour chart. Let's look at the hourly chart. Yeah, man, look at that. We got 2 fat wicks, bro. If this thing breaks under here, bro, we're probably going down here. Who knows, man? Damn, man. This is like the 4th video that I've shown you guys that I take a position, and all I got to do is just let it ride, bro. I got to be a little bit more patient, let it ride. You know, I get that gut feeling inside where I'm like, you know what, dude, like, I think I'm in a good position. I might just hold it. And then I see some profit, and I'm just like, you know what? Let me just get out. Let me just secure this profit. I also do like the 10-minute and the 30-minute. But look at that, the 30-minute, man. I'm telling you guys, man, I feel like this thing's just going to smash through these levels. It might not. It might turn around. Who knows? 15-minute right there. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Look at that, man. Look at the 5-minute. Look how clean this is right here. We're definitely dropping. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart right here as well on TradingView on my iPad. And again, man. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this this little series, a day trading recap. I'm probably going to make a series on trading psychology just because it's so important, bro. I kid you guys not, man. Again, if you guys are watching this channel, bro, I like legit trade, bro. Ain't no scamming. I don't sell no course. I don't even have I mean, I do have a Discord, but it's for like, you know, personal, you know. So I'm out here, bro, not even selling anything. That's crazy because I told myself I should put my take profit down here. Bro, look how clean this is, bro. Dang. You know what's crazy too? When I first seen this red candle too right here forming around 640. I'm like, you know what, bro? I think it's probably, you got a nice fat wick. You got this red candle forming. I think I'm going to go in for a put. And I waited a little bit more until like on like right here, bro. To be honest, close to VWAP. And I'm like, dude, I'm risking it. I'm like, bro, if it bounces off VWAP, makes a new high, I'm out this trade. I probably would have lost like, I think maybe like 20-30 bucks. So yeah, the risk to reward of this trade, it wasn't good, and I definitely risked it. Like this was definitely a risk, but just because right here, look, I'm telling you guys, like, you guys see this right here, but if you guys go on TradingView, I could just turn off the pre-market, but I like looking at the pre-market. You guys can see right there, man, those top wicks. This is 15. Yesterday, that's yesterday's high. And then today we couldn't actually beat that high. We couldn't break that high. So then we got a nice couple red candles. We got a couple wicks. So I'm just like, you know what, dude? I think I'm going to go in for the put. But if you guys see right here, okay, now we're getting at the bottom, towards the bottom of the pre-market. So there's probably going to be a little bit of support right there, you know, probably some buy orders. Because look, we got a wick right there. We got a wick right there. Damn, that would have been clean, man. My take profit, honestly, was like up here, bro, to be completely honest. Like always maybe like 20, 30 cents, you know. I try to not take the profit by the wicks. I try to take it by the body just to be secure. I mean, majority of the time, the wick will go all the way down to the rest of the wicks. But yeah, man. But yeah, I've been thinking about doing some live day trading, like streaming on this channel. But I really do think about it. I'm like, is it a good idea? I don't know if it's a good idea, you know, because you got to stay focused when you're trading, bro. You got to just, you know, block out all the noise. Again, I'll probably drop a video on how I got started in trading, because you guys could clearly see right here, man. I'm getting a couple more. I get more wins than I get losses, right? And then I'm also starting to like cut my losers, my losers short. So, you know, I try to keep my I just try to keep my winners big. My winners are big, but bro, they could be a lot more massive, bro. I mean, like, look at this, man. You guys see it right here, bro. I've been like on point with the entries lately. I mean, not on point, but like, you know, if you look at the overall picture, if we look at the 15-minute, bro, like I do kind of, I get some solid entries. And I'm only about a year and like 12 months. Oh no, a year like 11 months. It's about to be 2 years actually. August, I took my first trade. Bro, and I used to trade like 1 to 2 shares, and then I'm just like, dude, let's move up to options. And then now I'm just like, okay, I'm just trying to get good to the point, give myself a full, like, you know, maybe another 2-3 months. Then I'm gonna try to size up to like, you know, 3-4, a couple more contracts. It's all psychology, guys. All psychology. I'm just thinking, I'm like, okay, I'm doing good right now with one contract. I'm already immune to the feeling, right? Like if I lose, whatever. If I win, whatever. Like, bro, I really don't care if I win or lose, right? I just stick to my plan, stick to my rules. And again, I just try to cut my losses short. And what I need to work on is let my winners freaking grind, man, because that's crazy, bro. Even if I take a fat loss, that's only like a $20-$30, right, per contract. And if I, again, a good win is like $40 to $50, you know. So, and the thing is, it's like, bro, you can kind of tell when you're gonna lose. Like right here, look, check this out. Like technically what I had going on in my mind was that as soon as it bounced off the 21 EMA and it was going back up, bro, I was in the negative, bro. I was like negative like $16, I think, like 15, 16, right? So you guys see this little trend going on right here. So as soon as, if this thing would have popped any higher, bro, I would have been out of that trade. That's crazy, bro. That's really is crazy. Like, I'm starting to think more and more like, dude, these trend lines could actually work, bro. So I don't know, that's kind of crazy. Now we're going to the upside. I mean, yeah, we probably got a bunch of buy orders down here, right here. We look at the 15-minute again. Yeah, on the 15-minute, there's like a fat candle. Nah, bro, I feel like, honestly, if we don't break these highs right here, the highs of the day, start trajecting around here, breaks this, we're smashing all the way down, bro. To where? Probably, yeah, I guess this would be a good area right here. Support, probably the next level would be around this area. And yeah, but so far, man, we got another green day. We made it for the loss that we had yesterday. With today's Wednesday, so yeah, I think on Monday we took a baby win, and then when was it? Yesterday we took a little loss, and then today we made that loss plus a little extra, you know. So green so far, man. And usually Thursdays and Fridays are pretty lit too. But I honestly feel like we might have to play some puts for the rest of the week. I mean, it just makes sense unless it breaks this right here, this area. But I don't know. I mean, look at it. It looks like it might. Could this be the end of the bear market? Oh, no, bro. I think we're still going to go lower, to be honest. Bro, if we start going lower in the next couple of days, bro, like, nah, bro, we're going to still keep going lower. Like, I could see ourselves going to, like, all the way to 300. This, like, maybe, like, 230, 250. I don't know, man. I want to look at the overall week, though. Let's look at the overall week. Let's see. Overall week. Oh, yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. That's kind of like a low flag right here. But, bro, like, every time you see a low flag, that thing's just going to drop. So, I mean, we'll see, man. We will see. Will Do I think it'll come down all the way to COVID lows? I don't know, bro. I mean, that's way too low. But hey, at the same time, that's crazy how like 2020 people just rode this. Like, that's clean right there for a whole year. Like, bro, you could do the same thing, bro. Just it's literally doing the same thing. That's what I don't understand, man. People are out here like, no, you can't make money in this market. No, the market's messed up. Dude, that's crazy. You go on TikTok, you go on YouTube, you read all the comments, and you see all the people talking about how, like, oh, you can't make money in this market. How are people making money? I'm like, bro, that's crazy how people don't know about puts, bro. People don't know about shorting. Like, bro, it's literally the same thing as buying. It's the same thing, bro. It's just put yourself in front of a mirror, bro, and just do the opposite thing. It's not even the opposite thing, bro. It's the same thing. Look at it. It's bouncing off this 21 EMA, you know, bouncing off the 90 EMA. What is it doing? Bouncing off the 90 EMA, bouncing off the 20 EMA. Like, still in a downtrend. Shout out the weekly, though. Look at that. Yeah, man. So, just wanted to show you guys today's trade. Anyways, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload. This was Route to Infinite, man. And again, we got another successful day. So, yeah, man, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.